Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Yeah, a trip to Europe will not be complete if there is no labello purchased. I cannot go to Europe without buying an labello. And usually I buy in France, and this time yeah, I think it's in the place where it is more used and more sold. And this is my favorite color, I think, as I remember. I have some Nivea. Where did I put my Nivea? Yes, here. The Nivea is a little bit light, and labello, I think they are the same thing, just a different branding. If I check it out, maybe I should check it out. If I check, maybe this is just the same company using different brand. Now let me put it on a piece of paper to see the color. Are you seeing clearly? I love labello. So this one is, let me get out the excess color because it's not its original color. So this is here. So this one is okay, a piece of new paper. So this one is Nivea, and this one is labello. I do not want to use it a little bit, but it's a little bit darker, and I like it. Now let me see how it works on my face. Shall we do that? Okay, this lighting makes me as if you have a light, a lamp in you, and you do that that Halloween face, that monster face, that scary face. Okay, so today I went to the shop. I think this one is H&M, and a trip to Europe will not be I forgot. Okay, I fixed it. I closed the window. Now it's quiet. It's dead quiet. And so a trip to Europe will not complete without shopping at H&M. So today I want to have some, my clothes has been worn for 3 years, 4 years, many years, and I was just feeling, why not get something new, and it's not expensive. I know this is a cheap, fast fashion, so I bought these pants, and it's so very comfortable. You can see the texture of it. Right? It's a little bit texturized, so and very elastic because there is a texture. So the fabric is woven and then up and down with this wrinkle, with this crepe, and so it's super duper elastic. You can even feel it, and because it's already have wrinkle, so however you wrinkle it, it will not have any sign, so have not any crease. So it's perfect for traveling. The only thing is that there is no pocket. I do not use these pens for big pocketing use. I just, from time to time, you need to put a pair of glasses. I do not use it for a long time using that, use it a real pocket, but you do need to have something. And this one is X small, just to perfect my size because it's relaxed and so very comfortable. And it's relatively heavy, not very, very light. There are some fabric that very light, so it's not warm enough. This one, because it's wrinkles, so it's relatively have some weight, just perfect. So I bought this $14.99, and then I found I don't have anything blue to go with it. Today I went to this time I mostly brought with me red clothes. Even shoes are red. So I was thinking, if I have these blue pants, I need something on top to be blue, not only this dudun. If you see the inside of the dudun is a red thing, I do not have any blue coming in. So I found this, and this is the children's, in the children's section, and I like this color, very free. I love tie-dye clothes, and it's $4.99. It's, you feel that they are kneeling down, begging you to buy it. Okay, I say, I be kind, I buy it. So I have these two, blue and a little bit blue. So it's not the same blue, but anyway, they are in the blue family. And this blue is a little bit greenish and goes well with the green. Anyway, that's something I bought. I think I have bought an après shampoo, because when you travel, you will not be allowed to carry more than 100 milliliter of detergent, of liquid. So I have my hair shampoo in the bottle more than 100 milliliters, so I left it at home. And no shampoo. The Airbnb has shampoo, but there was no après shampoo, so I bought some après shampoo. It's a conditioner. I bought that one. It's so inexpensive brand. I bought the least expensive brand, so I don't need to show you. And I bought a coffee cream, and in this room there is an espresso machine, so just perfect. What else did I buy? Other than that, I do not think I have bought anything. Yeah. Travel is about travel. It's not so much about buying things. But buying things do make us happy, right? And I found some eyeglasses, reading glasses, and I do need a pair. You know, reading glasses, I usually buy these reading glasses in not custom made, not big brand. I bought just run of the mill, right? Is that the word? I bought from Costco and some other place, or maybe online. And those glasses, it's quite easy to get broken. Maybe big brand also got broken from time to time. I think it's not about the brand. But glasses are easy to be broken, especially when you travel. Prepare two pairs at least, so that if one is broken, the leg fell off, or the lunette, the binocular, the optical glass fell off, or the frame broken, you can still have one. You do need to have one extra. So maybe tomorrow we can do an loser unboxing. That's about it. Thank you. I'm a little bit tired because I woke up at 5 o'clock and went out something like 9 o'clock, and I was thinking maybe I will just walk around instead of taking bus, because I can see more things and also I can save money. So I walked from, if you are here, you mean, no, I think I live close to Sigmund Freud Museum. And from this museum, walking to the museum quarter, do you think it's a long walk? It took me, I saw the map indicate if I walk, it takes something like 30-40 minutes. And I walked, and I stopped at a park, and then I took some photo of the side street, and then I went to some stores, and then I took a different route. I went to supermarket, just entertain myself. Going to supermarket is very, very entertaining for me. That's about it. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Oh, I am almost falling asleep. Goodbye, bye.